Good morning, folks, from Jeff's Little Engine Service. So here we are in the West Junkyard, and we're on a different sort of mission today. We need to, it's actually a rescue mission. We need to go rescue an old lawnmower that I sold a friend. You may have seen the video of my good buddy Kever's buying this lawnmower, but he didn't use it that much, and it's been sitting in his backyard, so we need to go rescue it. So to drag it out of his yard, I need to choose one of these riding lawnmowers to do the job. I've already chosen it, actually. It's this one here. It's an old Craftsman, and I think it's up for the job. And you guys get to come along for the ride. I don't even know if this thing will start. It's been sitting here a while. Cobwebs all over it. Okay. That's where we need to go, out through that gate. Choke. There we go. A little bit of smoke, but I think she's ready for the job. Well, I think I better put some gas in here. It is a bit of a drive up the street. Alright, so I'm bringing some supplies here. Got a ratchet strap in case we have flat tires, as well as a portable air tank, and a heavy-duty tow chain.
Let's do it.
Well, there she is, boys, the rescue rig. So we're about ready here, just doing a double check. We've got our tow chain, we've got our strap in case it has flat tires, we have our portable air, we have our gloves, refreshing beverage, and let's see, oh yeah, got to make sure we have some of that. And I'm also going to be wearing this, my GoPro, so you guys can get a first-hand view of what's going on. All right. Let's see if we can do this. I have my GoPro on here. Got all my stuff attached to the front. Hopefully that's a good angle. Let's do this. Got my other junkyard over here. Lots of fun stuff in there. Gotta open this gate. If I can fit. All right, I think we're going to make it. And off we go. Pretty nice view from up here. It's a really steep hill that goes into the backyard, and that's where the lawnmower is, unfortunately.
Ooh, she looking good.
All right. See if we can do this. Big hill. Through here. Tight squeeze. Got another tight squeeze coming up. Better take a drink of courage. Oh boy. Not too bad, huh? It'll mess up that thing. Maybe with some ramps or rocks or something. No, I don't think so. Trying to get some ramps here to get over this little. See what happens. Oh boy, looks like we're gonna make it. Yep, it's amazing. And there she is. So there she is. See if we can pull her out. Looks like the tires still hold air. That's good. Won't be too bad if these tires are able to hold air for a little bit. All right, so we've aired up the tires and they seem to be holding air. So that's good because we have a few blocks to tow at home. But you can see it's been sitting here a while. It's time to get it out of here. So I can hook up the tow chain to there, I think. I think the only hole it'll fit through is this one here. Let's see if we can turn this thing around. All right, we have it turned around, so let's go ahead and back this thing up here. Let's see where to put the chain around this sucker. Oh, nice, there is a hook right there. Perfect. Doesn't want to go all the way through, but I think it'll work. All right, let's try this. You gonna hop on? hard part, getting it through this stuff. Used these sketchy ramps before. Looks pretty narrow, there you go. Nice and slow. Get up and over this little lip here. Amazing. Oh. Yeah, that might be the way to do it, huh? All right, back in action. Shot of courage to get up this hill. All right. Uh-oh. Crap on it. I'll get that later. Stuck on something there. I think he had to get off. We had too much weight. Uh-oh. Yep, we're going. We're getting her. Woo! I don't know if you guys can tell, but this is a pretty steep hill. Like it's starting to slip a little bit. I feel the transmission slipping a little bit on these hills, but not too bad. All right, went and got my glove. Here's the setup, folks. Whew.
Ain't no laws when you're drinking claws.
All right, we're good to go. Off. another steep hill we have to go down here. We've already done a brake check, so we're good. And into the junkyard it goes. We're gonna try and restore this one. All right, so here we are. Mission accomplished. Our rescue rig performed flawlessly, and now we have this piece of crap in our junkyard. So I know this machine ran really good a couple of years ago, and just sat forever, so I think it's time to do the regular, usual stuff to it. Clean out the fuel system, all that. I think the first thing I want to do with it is just give it a good bath so we can see if we have any oil leaks. We're also going to want to drain the gas tank, clean out the carburetor, see what the inside of the carburetor looks like. Make sure to lube up everything that's rusty. And now he did mention that the engine was locked up, which it is, which is a little bit concerning. He did have it parked with the muffler up, so hopefully we didn't get a bunch of water inside the cylinder. That would be really bad news. But for now, I think we're just going to clean this baby up and start poking around. And these are great little mowers. I love them. At one time they were made so you could actually store them upright. You just tip them up onto this thing and store them vertically. I don't know if this is one of those models. It might be. But you'll be amazed after we clean it up how nice it looks. But hopefully we don't have a frozen up engine here. And the rescue rig performed great. That was a steep hill we had to get up. So the LT 4000 Craftsman diehard, thumbs up. So do you guys want to watch the video of me restoring this? Just let me know in the comments section. And I do read all the comments in the comments section. Alright, let's go ahead and clean this thing up a little bit. You all are always asking what's in my cleaning bottle here. And it's actually a secret recipe, old family secret recipe. And I might tell you what it is. Alright, I'll tell you. What we got in here is 1/4 Berryman's carburetor cleaner, another quarter 7-Up, and then the rest we fill with goat piss. And it does a great job of cleaning everything up. I'm telling you, this thing is going to come out looking like new. You guys won't believe it. Got to get a light layer of this goat piss cleaner all over it, and then we'll be good. I'm just kidding about the goat piss, folks. This is actually a cleaner called Oil Eater that I get at the auto parts store. Biodegradable cleaner. And if Oil Eater would sponsor me, I would show their product in my videos, but otherwise I'll just mention it. Haha. Okay, that should be good. Now we wait. Check it out. The thing looks like new. Hopefully the engine being locked up is not a real big issue. We'll find out.